The power of a traditional generator in an efficient portable package. This is the smart, versatile WGen7500 digital inverter generator by Westinghouse. Designed with performance and efficiency in mind, the eco-friendly WGen7500 uses a fraction of the fuel it takes to operate a traditional generator, yet delivers enough power to keep home essentials up and running during an outage. Plus, it's portable, perfect for tailgating, campsite, or wherever your adventures take you. Be green and save green with the WGen7500. At its core is a dependable, variable-speed OHV Westinghouse engine, allowing the WGen7500 to automatically adjust engine speed, producing only the power you need, saving fuel and money. Designed to meet the highest emission standards, a convenient switch allows you to select efficiency mode for the most economical operation possible. The control panel features two 120-volt outlets, plus two USB ports. Digital inverters create a clean, stable power so you can safely operate sensitive devices like smartphones, TVs, and computers. And with up to 2,200 peak watts, you'll have the power you need for larger household appliances and equipment. Need more power? Simply connect the WGen7500 to a second Westinghouse inverter generator with the optional parallel cable, and the two units are ready to work as one. Inverters are quiet. The WGen7500 can run at volumes around or below normal conversation, making it well suited for close quarters, power outages, camping, and tailgating. The powerful, eco-friendly, quiet, and efficient WGen7500 digital inverter generator by Westinghouse. A smarter, greener solution for your portable power needs.
Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 2,000-watt ultra-light portable inverter generator. At 39 pounds, this is one of the lightest inverters in its class. Perfect for taking on small trips, camping, or using recreationally. And with a total harmonic distortion of less than 3%, this unit can safely power your sensitive electronics. Champion's Smart Economy mode can provide quieter operation, extended engine life, and better fuel economy when running under a reduced electrical load. This inverter comes standard with two 120-volt household outlets, as well as a 12-volt DC outlet with a USB adapter and a pair of automotive-style battery charging cables. Or connect two units using a Champion Paralink parallel kit to provide 50 amps of power directly to your RV. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the inverter. Add oil to the inverter. Move the inverter outside. Add gasoline to the inverter. Start the inverter. And plug in your desired equipment. Champion's 2,000-watt ultralight portable inverter. Your perfect choice for quiet, clean power wherever you need it.
generator with a compact, lightweight design. This is the WGen7500 portable generator by Westinghouse. Convenient and easy to use, this gasoline-powered generator is perfect for keeping those essential appliances up and running for DIY projects and providing power on the go. The efficient Westinghouse engine produces up to 2,500 peak watts and 2,000 running watts. Get power to where you need it. Two dual 120-volt standard outlets. The WGen2000 is packed with features like the easy-to-read fuel gauge, automatic low-oil shutoff, rubber outlet protectors, and more. The WGen2000 portable generator by Westinghouse. Power when you need it, power where you need it.
Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 3400-watt RV-ready dual-fuel inverter. This unit operates off gas or propane straight out of the box. Perfect for recreational use with your RV, a weekend of tailgating, or for emergency backup power around the house. The inverter comes travel ready with a standard 30 amp RV outlet and enough power to start and run a 15,000 BTU RV air conditioner. You can also connect another inverter using a Champion parallel operation kit to provide almost double the power directly to your RV. It's also powerful enough to run your essential household items during a power outage. Read your owner's manual to easily get your inverter up and running. Open the box to safely access the inverter. Add oil to the inverter. Connect the battery. Move the inverter outside. Add gasoline to the inverter, or connect your propane supply, and select the fuel source. Start the inverter, and plug in your desired equipment. Champion's innovative 3400-watt dual-fuel inverter, your perfect choice for quiet, clean, portable power.
A truly powerful workhorse generator. This is the WGen7500 by Westinghouse. An open-frame portable generator producing up to 9,500 peak watts and up to 7,500 running watts. The dependable OHV Westinghouse engine delivers long run times, making it an ideal choice for home backup power with plenty of ways to connect, including the transfer switch-ready twist-lock outlet and two dual 120-volt outlets. The push-button start, remote start key fob, digital data center, and host of built-in safety features make it a smart, versatile solution to your portable power needs. The WGen7500 portable generator by Westinghouse. Power when you need it, power where you need it.
Hi, I'm Marty, and I'm here today to introduce you to the Energizer EZV2000P inverter generator with parallel power. Before I begin detailing the impressive features of this unit, it is important to understand the dual-wave inverter board technology that makes everything else possible. This market-leading technology controls both the voltage and the current, creating a consistent sine wave throughout the power band, even while overloaded or undergoing rapid load changes. In practical terms, this means that these inverters are safe to use with electric motors, such as angle grinders, air compressors, circular saws, and even delicate technologies such as spark plugs. This model can easily supply 2,000 watts max and 1,600 watts running. Noise level is an important feature when choosing a generator. Of course, you want the quietest model available. This unit is the quietest inverter in its class. Running volume for the 2000P starts at 50 decibels and only climbs to 59 decibels at peak power. This generator can connect in parallel to another EZV2000P or another P-series inverter like this EZV3200P. Two 2000Ps will generate 4,000 watts, 33 amps at peak power, and 3,200 watts, 27 amps at running power. Any combination of generators will generate the sum of their outputs. Taking 2 of these on the road and powering up a 15,000 BTU air conditioner would be a breeze. With its newly designed output panel here, multiple Energizer generator units can now be daisy-chained together to run parallel. We've combined all of the many power and grounding cables usually required on other generators for parallel functioning into a single port, which makes for an easier, safer, and ultimately more efficient setup. Once connected, on the other end you'll either have a twist lock or an RV outlet at your ready, depending on the parallel cable you purchase separately. Activate Eco Mode on both units, and the advanced inverter boards will balance the load between the generators, portioning the wattage depending on the size of the model. For example, a 1000 watt load between a 3200P and a 2000P would see 600 watts come from the larger and 400 watts come from the smaller. This optimizes fuel efficiency across the board and prolongs engine life by dividing the work fairly. You also have the option of only engaging Eco Mode on one of the units. Under this setting, one unit will run at full power, while the other dynamically changes to match the load. Mobility and convenience was clearly a top priority when this unit was being designed. Again, this unit is the lightest inverter in its class at only 44 pounds, so light that it's easy to carry one in each hand. A full tank will last up to 11.5 hours at 25% load. That means it can last all night while powering up to 400 watts. With a wealth of powerful quality features like dual wave control, long run time, class-leading sound level, and cross-model parallel connectivity, the new EZV series portable inverter generators are powerful and advanced units that will be a pleasure to own, operate, and enjoy comfortably at a great value. Both models come with a 3-year warranty and excellent customer service provided exclusively from an experienced team located at Energizer headquarters. With hundreds of registered service centers across the United States and Canada, Energizer's coverage goes on and on and on.
Hi, I'm Kevin, and I'm here to introduce you to the DuroMax line of generators. A portable generator is the perfect way to get the power you need when and where you need it. From protecting your family during a power outage to taking power on the road camping in your RV. The DuroMax generators are there for you. Built to last, all DuroMax generators feature a rugged frame constructed of heavy-duty steel. The heart of this power plant is the dependable DuroMax overhead valve engine. It's designed to be extremely easy for anyone to start. Just a turn of the key or a quick pull of the Easy Start recoil gets it going. With its 4-gallon fuel capacity, this environmentally minded EPA and carbon-proof unit will run a full 8 to 12 hours on a single tank of gas. The unique exhaust design, coupled with the frame damping, allows it to run at a comfortable 69 decibels. That's enough to hold a conversation next to it without raising the voice, and it's suitable for campgrounds and public parks. Another added feature is its low-oil protection system, which will automatically shut the generator off to protect it from any damage should it run low on oil. The XP4400E's full-feature power panel was designed to offer the perfect balance of power and functionality. It includes 2 fully protected 120-volt, 20-amp standard household outlets to supply power to all your appliances, including televisions, refrigerators, microwaves, fans, and more. It also features a powerful 30-amp, 120, 240-volt twist lock outlet for instant command and high-power tools, including saws, air compressors, and a host of other devices, as well as RV power needs. Natural disasters aren't the only use for a portable generator. Taking a portable generator on the road with your RV or camper ensures that you'll have enough electricity to power your AC, television, and other creature comforts in your home away from home. Overloads are never a problem with its dual 15-amp circuit breaker. As a side note, it's a good idea to start your generator for a few minutes, maybe once a month or so, to keep the starter battery charged. One feature exclusive to DuroMax generators is the Power Boost amp doubling switch. It's a high-amp RV equipment switch that harnesses the full power of the generator by combining 2 120-volt circuits with the one powerhouse 120, 240-volt outlet. provide you with the added power for challenging events, such as heavy-duty power tools and equipment, power backup transfer panels, or your RV's demanding power needs. The generator can also provide some necessary creature comforts during a prolonged power outage, including heat, lights, food preservation, and more. During a natural disaster, keeping your family safe is a top priority. With a DuroMax generator, we have you covered. Professionals who are concerned with quality rely on DuroMax for outstanding performance, reliability, and durability. No job site should be without one.